In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to designate startup tabs in Google Chrome. This is a handy feature that allows you to set up specific web pages to automatically open every time you launch the browser, creating a more efficient browsing experience tailored just for you. Let's get started by opening all the web pages that you want Chrome to display each time it starts up. It might be your favorite news website, your email dashboard, or any other page you frequently visit. Open each one in a separate tab so that they're all ready to be designated as your startup tabs. Once you've got all your desired pages open, look to the top right corner of your browser window. You should see 3 vertical dots, which will open the Chrome menu. Click on those dots to reveal a drop-down menu. From here, you'll want to select Settings. This will redirect you to a new tab where a variety of customization options for Chrome are presented. On the left side of your screen, you'll see a menu. Navigate to the option labeled On Startup. Give it a click, and you'll be presented with several choices regarding what you want to happen when Chrome starts up. We're focusing on the option titled Open a specific page or set of pages. Selecting this allows you to tell Chrome exactly which pages to open each time it launches. Next, you'll need to tell Chrome to use the pages you've opened as your startup tabs. Right below the Open a specific page or set of pages option, you'll find a button labeled Use Current Pages. Clicking this will set all of the currently open tabs as your startup pages. This means every time you start Chrome, it will automatically open these pages for you. Alternatively, if you haven't opened all the necessary tabs yet, or if you'd prefer to add specific web pages that you didn't open earlier, there's a way to do that too. You can click on Add a New Page, which will allow you to manually enter a URL. Once you've typed in the URL of the page you want to open on startup, you simply need to click Add. Repeat this step for each additional website you'd like to include. There you have it, your very own customized startup tabs. This feature is particularly useful if there are specific sites you visit daily, as it will save you time and clicks each morning, letting you dive right into your day. With these steps, you can efficiently manage and organize your browsing setup. We hope you found this guide helpful, and you're now ready to take full advantage of Chrome's startup settings. Let us know in the comments if there are any other Chrome tips we can help with. Thanks for watching, and happy browsing.